WhatsApp rolls out voice message transcripts. Here's how to use it. WhatsApp announced on Thursday that it's set to roll out voice message transcripts, a feature designed to transcribe voice messages into text in your preferred language and enhance user experience. This is especially useful in noisy environments where you're unable to listen to voice messages. This new feature mirrors a reminiscent capability introduced by Apple's Messages app with the launch of iOS 17. According to WhatsApp, transcripts will be generated directly on their devices. This ensures that no one else will have access to the content of the transcribed messages, maintaining privacy. Here's how to enable it. Firstly, launch Settings and choose the Chat section. Now click on Voice Message Transcripts to enable it. You can also choose your preferred transcript language from here. Long press Transcribe option to automatically get your message transcribed. The availability of transcription languages varies by operating system and version. The languages supported on iOS 16 are English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, Chinese, and Arabic. Supporting on iOS 17 and later are Danish, Finnish, Malay, Norwegian, Dutch, Swedish, Hebrew, and Thai, whereas Android users can expect the languages English, Portuguese, Spanish, and Russian. WhatsApp voice message transcripts will be launched globally in the near future. However, the launch date is still under wraps.